back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am starting with these Kiss nails that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm starting with a clean nail bed, you guys, and I'm showing you some of the items that I am using in this short tutorial. You guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also when you subscribe, hit the notification bell. All right, so right now, again, like I said, I'm showing you all the items that I'm going to be using. Some of them I don't actually use, but you know, that's perfectly fine. Here in this instance, I am going over the directions. They were in so many different languages, I just gave up. And I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go based on what I see in front of me. And so yeah, I decided to go ahead and first match up the nails. Pretty much how they're going to be applied to me. So I started with my thumb, and then I, continue on. And I wanted to do like, opposite kind of colors on each hand. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Knockout. You win.
Okay, so after I matched my actual nails, I decided to get these little peel-on stickers, you guys, and I realized that they are there to put on your nail bed to protect your nail bed, you guys, because when you put glue on it, you don't want to put it directly on your actual nail. You rather put it on the plastic. So again, I'm matching this plastic. It's like a peely type of material. I'm matching it with my actual nails, and I'm going to place them on each nail before I add the adhesive. So I believe I have them all on now. Yay! And now it is time to start with the actual glue. Okay? And so the glue that I am using, you guys, is like a super glue. It came with the packaging, of course. And so I am deciding that I'm going to start with my least dominant hand, which is my left hand, and I'll be applying it to my right hand. Because I figured if I start with my least dominant hand, I can at least get that over with, and then the rest should be a breeze, right? And so you see what I'm doing. I'm just, of course, adhering each nail. I'm first placing, first placing the glue on the plastic, little peel off thing that I put above my on my nail bed, and then I'm putting the glue on it, and then I'm pressing my nails down. That's pretty much what I'm doing. You guys, this process was so simple. It really did not take any time. It was like less than 10 minutes, honestly, and I think it would have even been shorter than that. It was just that this was my first time doing it, so yeah, but overall, I am actually really pleased with the outcome. Yeah, so I'm showing you my first hand, which is my left hand, and so I decided to go ahead and try to speed it up a little bit more and do my right. Well, I'm confused now. I'm trying to do my left hand, but using my right hand, which is my dominant hand, of course. Alright, so before I use my left hand to apply on my right hand, and then vice versa. You guys know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say.
Knockout. You win.
Everything was going smooth sailing, right? to this last pinky one. It just wanted to give me so many problems, you guys. Ugh, but I ended up getting it on there, so yeah. And here I am showing you the finished product. And of course I have to clean up everything afterwards. Enjoy the rest of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. And yes, here's the final product. Alright, if you have any questions, leave them down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!